Okay, so today we're gonna be unboxing. Let me see. We're gonna be opening Zuru's metal machines.
Yay!
And it comes with a Zing and Horizon and Inferno.
Mom.
And then Logan got this from school. And is Maista Fresh Metal. What's his name?
It doesn't.
It doesn't say a name. Okay, so who's gonna open first?
Wait.
All right.
It's not fair. Of course, yes, and it's not fair. It is not fair.
Let me help you.
It's
I can do it.
not fair. I can do it.
You can do
No,
it?
I can do it. I can do this. This so that.
I saw that.
It was a rubber paper. Let's go really take enough it. Is it the sticky tag?
Do you want me to help?
I'll help you. No.
You're welcome. Okay. No, pull it up.
Yay.
Like this. Take the flap up.
Okay.
Okay.
That's on the top there is.
Let's see. Pull it, honey. Pull it. Here. Hold this.
Inferno.
Pull it up.
The top has Inferno. So
All right. So what you got? Let's see.
there's Inferno.
There's Inferno. Can I see it? Let me see Inferno.
Inferno the first.
Oh,
That's
okay.
horizontal.
This is Horizon. Horizon. Oh.
Can I show us one Zing?
They're pretty cool.
And here's Inferno.
All right. There's Horizon
Inferno.
and Inferno.
And then
Beep. Oh, and the letter moves.
because these are fire trick. And Zing.
And Zing. Oh, pretty cool. These are very nice.
How come
These are very cool. Whoa, and they move pretty easy. All right.
Let's look at this side.
All right, Logan is gonna open.
I want to name him Red Thunder because he's red, and when I drive him and I let go, he'll go as fast as
Thunder. Okay.
I know I can do it.
Ba ba ba. That's it. That's the video, right?
All right, let's see.
There's even more brands. There's more brands.
Wait. Let's see if it says a name on it. Oh, he's a Dodge Challenger. Wait, Logan. SRT6. He's a Dodge Challenger.
There's even more brands.
Right.
Let's show our fans all these brands. These are all the brands you can collect the Dodge Racers.
So they come, all the different brands. That's pretty cool.
Dodge Challenger.
All right, and now look at that. Dun, ta-da,
So we
ta-da-da-da-da.
both have three. And I have a tank.
Uh-huh. Let's see what comes on yours.
So you buy three and then three for me, right?
This is super cool.
That is super, super cool.
Don't
All right, so on Logan's, we have Defender, Raider, and Poison Ivy.
I can never have.
Whoa, Defender's a tank, of course.
I can
course.
never you, Logan.
Here's Raider. How is Poison Ivy if she's not Poison Ivy-ish?
Oh, that's the name of the car.
I can never you, Logan.
Now, Logan will open this.
Look, here down, I know,
I'm just taking the tape off. Okay.
over here it shows Zing, and here it shows
Poison Ivy.
Raider.
All right, go.
Here it shows
That
Raider.
I have a blue car.
That's Zing.
But this is the blue car named Say.
Yes, and his name is Zing.
Look at you.
Look, he even can swirl.
Look at the
Let me see.
button.
And you might not notice that real tanks don't have wheels actually, they only have tracks, but if there was tracks it wouldn't move, so that's why they had to put wheels.
Mine.
Yes.
Ooh, Poison Ivy.
Look what that Logan got. It gets a red hot.
You know, these are not Hot Wheels, but they are pretty cool. And they move really easy.
Can we show our friends?
Who is this here?
Poison Ivy.
No. Oh yeah, I thought Poison Ivy was the green one, but no, this is Poison Ivy. Go figure. I know.
Let's show our fans all the cars that we have got.
Who is this one?
Raider.
Raider.
And there's a fender.
And he's an off-road. All right, guys, so line them up.
I want to show them all our cars.
Line them up.
Look, it even... Wait. His tank. I want to lift his tank thing.
Good job. Let's see. Line them up. Line them up. Line them up. Up.
Light them up.
Well, in this case, it's not light them. It's line them. All right, pretty cool. So those are the new cars we're adding to our collection. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Stay tuned. Bye.